Hello friends, welcome to lesson number 82. This topic is yet another very important topic which is very current and related to something we are all experiencing right now. You may be thinking about what it could be. Right, the topic is COVID-19. For almost a whole year, we have all been going through this particular phase. News, information, announcements, and so much related to this particular topic. So now we will be looking at different signs related to COVID-19 in this lesson. COVID. COVID. Novel coronavirus. Novel coronavirus. Mask. Mask. Social distancing. Social distancing. Sanitizer. Sanitizer. Sanitize hands. Sanitize hands. Wash hands. Wash hands. Quarantine or isolation. Room, inside, alone, stay. Quarantine or isolation. Symptoms. Cold, cough, and fatigue. Symptoms related to COVID. Symptoms. Thermal scan to check temperature. Thermal scan. Swab testing. Swab testing. Immunity. Body automatically protects. Immunity. Having learned signs related to COVID-19, let's go over the signs once again, and then we will look at sentences by connecting the words and signs. COVID. Novel coronavirus. mask, social distancing, sanitizer, sanitize hands, wash hands, quarantine or isolation, symptoms, thermal scan, swab testing, immunity, now that we have finished learning new signs, let's look at some short sentences related to COVID-19. Let's now see and understand how to sign the important rules and regulations of COVID-19. 1. Remember to sanitize your hands or wash them frequently with water and soap. 2. When you are out in public places, you must not forget to use your mask. 3. When out in public places like shopping areas, college, school or office, you must maintain social distance of 6 feet. 4. Do not touch your face, either your mouth, nose or eyes. 5. Dispose the mask or wash it after use. 6. Do not go out unless it is necessary. 7. Build your immunity by eating healthy food. 8. Stay healthy and stay safe. 9. Do not fear or panic. Do your part and do it well. 10. Protect others and protect yourself by staying home and following all regulations.